but it's worth it because it's free. Fifth I have is foundation data data. Fifth I have is foundations data everywhere by Google. Come on, this is the name of the program. I'm not making it up. Hello everyone, this is Noor welcoming you all to my channel Likely Noor. I carry 6+ years of corporate experience, and in this channel I talk about IT news and updates, job and interview tips, life and lifestyle lessons. So if you are interested in any of these, then consider subscribing to my channel. In today's video, we are going to discuss 5 free courses on Coursera for the beginners who wants to learn data science. So it is a free course for the people who wants to learn data science and are beginners. We will be discussing the program, the description of the program, and the duration you would need to complete that program. All the 5 courses you can find on Coursera free. So stay tuned on this video and watch this video till the end so that you do not miss out on any important point, and smash that like button if you like watching me speak. The first on my list is Introduction to Data Analytics by IBM. In the Introduction to Data Analytics course, you will understand the data ecosystem such as databases and data warehouses and the fundamentals of data analysis such as data gathering or data mining. It is a 10 hours course and it is absolutely free. I'll provide the link of all these courses in the description box, so do not miss to check out the description box. Second on my list is Introduction to Statistics by Stanford. The Introduction to Statistics by Stanford will help you learn the statistical concepts required for learning from data and communicating insights. You will learn how to perform exploratory data analysis, understand critical principles of sampling, and select appropriate tests of significance for multiple contexts. This course duration is of 15 hours. Third is Data Science Ethics by University of Michigan. Data Science Ethics offers a framework for analyzing ethical and privacy implications of collecting and managing big data. You can explore the broader aspect of the data science field on modern society and the principles of fairness, accountability, and transparency. You will also gain a deeper understanding of the importance of shared ethical values. This course is again of 13 hours. You can easily complete over the weekend. Fourth I have for you is R Programming Basics for Data Science by IBM. This course will give you a learning and hands-on experience. With R Studio, you will learn to manipulate data in a data frame or matrix and complete a final project as a data analyst using Watson Studio, Jupyter notebooks to produce a data-driven insights. This course is comparatively lengthier than the others. It's a 5-week course, but it's okay. It's a free course. Fifth I have is Foundation Data Everywhere by Google Career Certifications. Come on, this is the name of the program. I'm not making it up. I'll share the link on the description. Do check it out. The Foundation Data Everywhere is a perfect course for a data science aspirants. The course will introduce you to the world of data analytics through a hands-on curriculum developed by Google. The material covers plenty of key data analytics topics and gives an overview of what comes in the Google Data Analytics certificate. Through experience with Google Data Analyst, you will learn how to accomplish common data analyst tasks with the best tools and resources. It is again a 5-week course, but doesn't matter, it's a free course. With this we come to the end of the video, but I assure you that I am going to bring more such free courses for the beginners and the experts. So stay tuned on my channel and consider subscribing to it if you find my content to be helpful. Also like and share this video so that it helps the video reach to a larger audience and could be helpful for them too. Thank you so much for watching me. I'll see you all in my next video. Until then, good luck and stay tuned.